everyone. In this video, we will do the solution discussion for the challenge 4.4. So, in this I told you to add a mail ID link that is same as mail to any other duplicate.com, but I told you to add a subject. So the subject is added like a question mark after that, if the only question mark, and then the subject is equals to contact form. So if it's a one word, if it's one word, then this 20 is not needed because the browser shows us this 20. See, the URL, this 20 is there. When the spaces come, it uses it as 20. Okay, so like a percentage 20, the browser uses. So target top, contact me. Thank you all.